come to the school as the government to try and see how do we restore the culture of teaching and learning of our young people and of our students.
I think we are happy with our work that we have done from the 9th of January when the school opened. We have started to reunite the students, those who are fighting. They have reconciled, they have made peace, they have gone to the teachers and assembly and apologized. We are working with them. We have also worked with them, the educators forum of the kings in these particular places of Imbumbulu, where all of them have come together with the governing body and the parents of this particular place to build this particular school as we continue the entire period of 2019.
We cannot allow schools that are supposed to be led and managed by the Department of Basic Education not to be managed by them.
All I hear is that the doors were locked for you. And understanding ukuthi akekho umuntu owner lesikole ne. It's about time that we put a stop to the unending discussion, to the unending people bringing all sorts of excuses and to the detriment of our future learners, to the detriment of our youth who needs to lead in future as learned people of this country.